Everybody, Chris here. After a dip in the crypto market, including Dogecoin last night, based on the Israel-Iran conflict, we did see a big recovery overnight and this morning, and Doge seems to be settling down. But where will Doge go from here, especially with the excitement building for the Bitcoin halving and Doge Day? I'm going to talk all about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. Dogecoin did come all the way down, 13.9. Yes, you could have got Dogecoin for 13.9 cents last night. Another big dip opportunity. Bitcoin came all the way down to 59.6. Yes, that's sub 60K Bitcoin right there. But look at Bitcoin's recovery back up over 65,000. That is significant. These are my lines here. I mean, Bitcoin at 59.4 was my support. 65 was my target. We go to the 4-hour chart. And where do those numbers come from? Well, we look back. And this was it right there on March 2nd. Back on March 2nd, we had this dip of Bitcoin to 59.4. That was my target. Almost hit it this morning. And of course, 65K was after that April 1st dip was 65K, and now Bitcoin is recovering back there. So Doge, again, on the 4-hour chart, no big M pattern as well. Still has not retested all the way down to 12.5 cents. But kind of interesting that this purple wedge that I had, Dogecoin seems to be bouncing off in a downward trend there, right off the top of that wedge. But we could see this turning around again with all of the excitement we are now seeing building for not only Dogecoin though, but Bitcoin as well. What's going to happen with this Israel-Iran conflict? Well, right now, they're saying that the attacks are over. There will be no more direct state-to-state attacks between Israel and Iran. CNN reported on Friday. Officials said the direct strikes are over, did not provide further information to support the claim. So we could just be saying, look, Iran did its thing, Israel did its thing, based on Israel's first thing that it did before. And maybe cooler heads will prevail and this will all settle down. Kind of hard to believe. That's the Middle East, right? And conflict continues. But based on that news, we have Ali saying, look, full-on crypto bull market again. Let's go. Send Bitcoin. Yeah, Doge. I mean, let's go. That's the sentiment in crypto. It's like, okay, that's behind us now. We had our dips. And what happens with dips, right? Well, this is what happens, right? Last night, have the attack. Crypto market tanks. So what does that do? Wipes out all these leverage positions, right? Wipes them all out. And then you've got, because, there's all this fear of like this upcoming war, and then you get all the shorters coming out, big short positions. Guess what? Bitcoin trades all the way back up and even higher to wipe out the shorts. Almost $300 million in leverage positions liquidated this morning. Prices quickly bounced back. Became clear there was little damage. Why trade with leverage and why short? You just don't do it. That's just, you're just asking for trouble. This isn't the time to be playing games like that, as I've been saying. This is what we see. Overall, what's the picture? I've showed this chart. This is now updated. We now have a 19% pullback in Bitcoin in this up to last night. We've already had 4 20% pullbacks. This bull run, previous bull run, 32%, 23%, 23%. And the bull run before that, we had multiple, more than 30% pullbacks. So don't get scared. I see so many of you saying, oh, Doge is going to go down to 7 cents. Doge is going to go for 4 cents. That is not in the cards. That's not what we're looking at now. we're looking at this market is just, we're just starting. We've had in Bitcoin 1, 2, 3 peaks in the previous 3 cycles. 4, we're not there yet. We are not there yet. Kind of interesting, though, on this chart that Fred Krueger has, that look at all the volume there. The numbers of Bitcoins that have been traded has really ticked down as the price has gone up over $50,000. You just don't have the same kind of trading per Bitcoin as you used to have. But this is still can be some massive trading dollar-wise, right? Dollar-wise. So there are 4 clear peaks in Bitcoin price. As of now, only 3 halvings, 4th halving coming. Halvings do not explain Bitcoin cyclicality with a 6-month delay. Statistically not true. Some people talking about this time being different. There's nothing that says this time is different other than we already had this run up in Bitcoin price before the halving, although of course that has settled down a bit. So the cycle continues, guys. It continues. Here we are in the 4th cycle. We have gone through 4 bear markets. We've gone through 4 accumulation phases. So far, we've only gone 3 big post-halving bull runs. This is the 4th. Where is this going to go from here? Are you prepared for this upcoming bull market? Are you prepared? Now they said, well, I buy Bitcoin. It can be Doge too. Buy Doge, send it to cold storage, educate yourself. That's what we do. That's what we do. Someone asking about, what's Doge Day? Well, Doge Day coming up. It's a time not only to buy a little Doge, right? But also post on social media, educate people, talk about Dogecoin. That's all going to be on Saturday. And so I'll be live on Saturday too. It's going to be a little later at night though, because I will be traveling back from Florida on Saturday. So it's going to be a little bit later, but I will be live on Doge Day. It's going to be Doge night though, by the time I get on. But look out for that. So that'll probably be a late night stream that we'll be doing on Saturday night. But I am still planning on being live there. Overall, where could Bitcoin come from here? So here's the halving. Right? We're going into the halving on a little bit of a downturn, right? Around 65K. Could we see a dip down? We could. And there are models that suggest we might be revisiting something in the mid to lower 50s. I kind of don't think that's going to happen. I think Bitcoin's going to trade more sideways in the 60s, and we're not going to see that dip there. The summer of 2024, though, could be some sideways action up and down. But we could be seeing some new all-time highs with Bitcoin, with that up and down action before the fall. And the fall is when the big run happens. And that new all-time high we could see, October-November timeframe, could be in the $130,000 range for Bitcoin. The end of the year, still around that range. And then we still have all of 2025 to go. They're looking at a cycle peak here of 24th of September 2025 with Bitcoin nearing $300,000. So that is the potential roadmap for the current cycle going ahead. We're a long way from that right now. We're a long way from that. So that's what we're looking at. Mickey Bull Crypto predicts Doge bull run. ETH is undergoing an accumulation spree. But Doge could be the accumulation spree as well for Doge. Doge been making significant gains in March. We know February you could have bought Doge for eight in the 8-cent range. So a run up to the 20-cent level was big for Doge, good for Doge, and Doge is still holding around 15 cents now, despite all the negative news going on. That's pretty good for Dogecoin. So in a recent analysis, Mickey Bull said that the real bull run for Doge is about to kick off. Yes, it's about to kick off. Short-term price prediction aiming at 30-cent mark. Dogecoin manages to break past this level, might extend its gains even past the next few coming weeks. Other analysis seem to be backing the sentiment, highlighting possibility of Dogecoin price breaking above the dollar mark within this bull cycle. We still have Ethereum. A lot of talk about the Ethereum Bitcoin trading pair. This is accumulation time. Accumulation time for Ethereum right now. Many big bets on Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin from this point on going forward. So we'll be watching that trading pair as well. Dogecoin. Did Elon Musk buy $45 million worth of Doge? Well, I was joking on X that Tesla pushes to restore Elon's $56 billion pay package. The shareholders have to vote on that again. And I was like, well, Elon needs the money to buy more Dogecoin. I thought that was pretty funny. And then we get this. Did Elon Musk buy $45 million worth of Doge? No. It's some whale. This is some whale. They're tying this anonymous purchase of a lot of Dogecoin to when Elon did this Doge meme earlier. And I mean, that's just, the latest market dip may have prompted the whale to increase its Doge holdings. The whale may be anticipating a price spike soon. So, I mean, that would be the reason, right? Some whale would buy. It's not Elon Musk though, but Whale Alerts, a crypto whale transaction tracker, noted a Doge accumulation from crypto exchange Robinhood into a private wallet, the DDU-XGM wallet, amidst a flurry of other whale transactions. The transaction involved the movement of 150 million Doge, worth $23.5 million from Robinhood into this unknown wallet. Interesting to note, further investigation into the whale's on-chain activities revealed that this was not a one-time buy. The whale had acquired another 150 million and 30 million Doge, worth 23.1 and 4.8 million respectively. This is accumulation. This is big-time whale accumulation that's happening. Now, whether it's Elon or not, at this point, more questions than answers about the mysterious $46 million Dogecoin purchase. Was it Elon Musk or another whale quietly accumulating Doge? We'll see about that. I don't think it's Elon, though. So cryptocurrency, Watcher Guru has this. Top 3 coins that could 10x in the bull run. What could these 3 coins be that could 10x? Well, they first picked Solana. Now, Solana's already done a 10x. It's already done a 10x. So to do another 10x for Solana, I don't know about that. I mean, Solana's, a lot of people betting big on Solana going forward. Could be, but I mean, Solana's previous high was like $260, now trading at $130. That's a 2x to get to its previous all-time high. Where Dogecoin at 15 cents has to do a 5x to get back to its all-time high in the 75-cent range. So I like Dogecoin better. Aptos. Now, I was in Aptos and I sold it because of the big token unlock, and they keep unlocking more and more and more and more tokens. It's hard for Aptos's price to really accelerate because of that. And so I was in Aptos. I think it's a great project, but I got out of it. But then we have Doge. That's right, Doge. Another top contender for explosive growth during the next bull run, despite the current market downturn. Doge trading at 14.38 at the time they wrote this. The coin has demonstrated its ability to generate massive returns in the past. During the previous bull run, Dogecoin reached an all-time high of 73.7 cents in May 2021. With strong and loyal community behind it, Doge has the potential to once again capture the attention of investors and achieve significant growth during the next bull market. Moreover, the endorsement of high-profile individuals, such as Elon Musk, could further fuel its growth for the coming months and years. And then I saw this on Reddit. It's like, this is the historical Doge pattern. We've seen this before on a logarithmic scale for Doge. We've seen this pattern before a giant run in Doge. We're repeating that same pattern now, and that run in Doge could be coming. So, as we look at Doge now, again, settling down after last night's dip. Where do we see Doge going from here? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about this excitement? Bitcoin halving, Doge day. Give the video a like if you haven't already. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.